Eric Reyes Buhain, born April 12, 1970, is a Filipino former competitive swimmer and politician who served as a member of the House of Representatives for Batangas' 1st District from 2022 to 2025. He won several medals in the Southeast Asian Games from 1985 to 1993 and participated in the 1988 and 1990 Summer Olympics. He later became a sports administrator. During the Arroyo administration, he served as chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, chairman of the Games and Amusements Board, and an executive director of the Bureau of Immigration. Competitive swimming. Eric ventured into swimming not because he dreamed of winning an Olympic gold medal, but because of his doctor's advice to improve his lungs. Eric was born with primary lung complex. He enrolled in a 2-week swimming program at the age of 7. Yet his training was breached by another illness, hepatitis. However, this didn't stop him. A year later, he was training again and taking the advanced course in swimming, the competitive course, at age 9. It was at this age that he got into the varsity swimming team of De La Salle Santiago Zobel School and vowed to win a gold medal in the sport. By 1981, he was a member of the Philippine team and swam in the 400-meter individual medley at age 11. But it was in his first Southeast Asian Games in 1985, held in Bangkok, Thailand, where he snatched the gold in the same category at the age of 15. He participated in the 1988 Summer Olympics and was also chosen as the country's flag bearer for the opening ceremonies. In the 1989 Southeast Asian Games in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Buhain broke one of the existing SEA Games swimming records. In the 1991 Southeast Asian Games, where the Philippines was the host, he made a huge contribution to the gold medal record of the host country by winning most of the events in swimming. He was chosen to represent the Philippines in the 1990 Summer Olympics. He didn't win any medals in that sporting event. Even though he won several gold medals in the 1993 Southeast Asian Games, Buhain decided to retire from his swimming career. He was disappointed by the poor government management that led to a mediocre performance of the Philippines team in that sporting event. Politics. In the 2022 elections, Buhain is a candidate for representative of Batangas 1st District, the seat his wife is scheduled to vacate. He ran against his sister-in-law, Lisa Ermita, and won. He sought re-election in 2025, but lost to Leandro Lavist. He is being implicated in the anomalous flood control projects in his district during his term. Personal life. the oldest child of former Bacoor Cavite Municipal Vice Mayor Cecilia. Raised Buhain. Buhain finished his elementary and secondary education at the Dala Sol Santiago Zobel School in Ayala, Alabang. In 1991, he earned his Bachelor of Science degree in finance at La Salle University in Philadelphia, United States. Buhain is the husband of former Representative Eileen Ermita Buhain of the 1st District of Batangas and the son-in-law of former Executive Secretary Eduardo Ermita. Buhain is the older sibling of Camille Buhain Javier, one of the 3 women lawyers behind the Filipino YouTube channel, The Social Network. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.